Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Kids, our today's subject is maths. So, open your maths books, page 167. Our today's topic is thinking in 5. In this lesson, you learn the time to 5 minutes. Okay? Look at the screen. Here is a clock. Each small mark on the clock is 1 minute. When we start any hour and count the mark to next hour, we get 5 minutes. But in this lesson, we will only count by 5. Here, the clock face is divided into 12 equal units called hours. 60 smaller equal units called minutes. So, we divide the 60 minutes into 12 groups of 5 minutes each. Kids, do you all know the table of 5? Okay, let's revise it. The table of the 5 is displayed on the screen. You can read the time easily if you know the table of 5. Now come to the book page 167. Let us think of a clock face as something we can slice up, like a cake. How many minutes in each of these slices? Think in groups of 5 minutes each. Look at the clock A. Let's count the minutes in the shaded part. 5, 10, 15. Yes, here is 15 minutes in the shaded part. Now, count the minutes in the unshaded part. Yes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Yes, here is 45 minutes in unshaded parts. Okay, now you can do the question B, C and D. Okay, now look at the screen. Here's a clock. Here the minute hand and the hour hand are read differently. To know the position of the hour hand, we read numbers on the face of the clock. 1 to 12. To know the position of minute hand, we read the smaller divisions. Do you understand? Okay, good. Another way to read the time is to multiply the number by 5. When the minute hand is at 2, clock is showing 2 multiply 5 equal 10. That is 10 minutes. This clock is showing 10 past 10. Now come to the book page 168. Here the minute hand is pointing to 7. This means that 35 minutes. 7 multiply 5 have passed since 1 o'clock and 25 minutes remain before 2 o'clock. That means 60 minus 35 equal to 25. And we say 25 minutes to 2. We write it 1:35. Okay, come to the next clock. Here, the minute hand is pointing to 2. This means that 10 minutes 2 multiply 5 have passed since 6 o'clock and 50 minutes remain before 7 o'clock. 60 minus 10 equal 50. And we say 10 minutes past 6. We write it 6 colon 10. Students, I hope you understand the lesson. Allah Hafiz.